Today, we're diving into Durable AI, a tool that claims to build websites faster than you can say template. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's explore what it can do and whether it's worth your time. Durable AI is designed to help users create websites quickly, focusing on ease of use and rapid deployment. The core functionality centers around generating fully functional sites using AI-driven templates. You simply input your business details, and it crafts a website tailored to your needs. The user experience is surprisingly straightforward, especially for those who might not have a tech background. One immediate standout is the speed. You can have a basic site up and running in minutes, which is impressive for anyone looking to launch a project quickly. However, navigating the customization options can feel a bit clunky. While it offers various templates, some users may find the design flexibility somewhat limited, particularly if they have a specific vision in mind. It's clear that Durable AI targets small business owners and entrepreneurs who value speed over extensive customization, but there's a sense that more advanced users might feel constrained. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the speed of building a website is a major highlight, perfect for those who need to get online fast. The intuitive interface is another strong point, making it accessible for non-techies. However, there are some frustrations. The limited customization options might leave some users wanting more, especially if they're looking for unique design elements. Trust is another concern. There's not a lot of transparency about how the AI processes your data, which might make some users hesitant. Pricing details can also be a bit murky, so potential users should do their homework before diving in. Overall, it seems like a solid option for quick setups, but may not suit everyone, particularly those looking for more control over their site's design. In conclusion, Durable AI is worth considering if you need a website up and running in no time. It's great for small businesses and entrepreneurs, but if you're someone who craves design flexibility, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a decent tool, but just be mindful of its limitations before committing.